good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my filter face. And this afternoon, for the first time, I'm going to share with you what I do for my eye bag. And recovering as well to my eyesight. Blurry before, but now it's really clear. I'm not wearing any eyeglasses. So this is the tea bag. And this is the watermelon flush. Hey, good afternoon guys and welcome back to No Filter Face. Walang hilamos, walang pangsuklay. Same pa rin as usual. For my tips ako ituturo sa inyo, this is the leftover tea bag, yung tapos mo nang ininuman. And you use it under your eyes, up on your eyes, to relax your face or any part of your face. The same as the watermelon flush. Beauty tips again, no filter face. It's organic. So, we wanted to have a facial or face mask, but we cannot afford. No problem. Just do saing. Magkilis ka ng bigas and the rice water, like this, the leftover, ilagay sa ating face. And after that, meron na tayong